Do you want to unhide reel views on Instagram? You can turn on view count on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unhide reel views on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Go to your Reels section by tapping on the Reels tab from your profile. Here you will see all the Reels you have posted but not showing the number of views. To turn on the number of views on your Reels videos, tap on the three-line menu at the top right of the profile. A new screen will appear. Scroll down to the For Professionals section. Under this, find and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. If this option is not available, please convert your account type to Creator or Business and it will become visible to you. Now, scroll down and tap on View Counts on Profile. You will see that the toggle switch is enabled next to Hide View Counts. Turn off this toggle switch button to enable or unhide the Reels view count on your profile. Now, your Instagram Reels view count on your profile will be visible to your followers and anyone else who views the Reel.